Alright guys, we are working on twisting, pivoting. There's so many different moves that come out of these basic ideas of pivoting from the ball of your feet and the heel of your feet. Different combinations and different tempos. Alright, so that's today's basic fundamentals. Having your balance correct, obviously be on beat, and knowing how to isolate and making your twists, your pivots look better. Okay, first drill, pivot on the ball of your feet. So if you guys don't know, the ball of your feet, that's the front right here. Okay, so you're pivoting right from the front of your feet. Your heel are the one that's moving, that's twisting. And what's the pivot point is the front, is the ball of your feet. Okay, so practice that. Stay on the ball of your feet. The weight is in the front, and I'm just pivoting my heels to the side, heels to the side. When you're watching this or when you're doing this, first, just get the balance right, okay? So you shouldn't be all over the place like this. Gotta make sure your balance is right. For me right now, the ball of my feet are a little bit closer than shoulder width apart, okay? If they're really, really tight, they look like this. Shoulder width apart, they're kind of like this, okay? So this is a good start. Right here, you're pivoting to the side. And what I'm doing is I'm keeping my body facing front, facing towards you. So I'm not doing this, you see? This is keeping my body turning with the pivot. But right now, I'm keeping it still. So here, okay? Practice that. Now, we're doing it without the music, but we'll do it with the music soon. So here you go. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's give that a try. Do along with me. 5, 6, here we go. Boom. Okay, let's go one more time. This time I'm gonna go to my left. 6, 7. Now you can hold different arm positions, all right? So this is where once you get this, you can go here, 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 here. Okay? So I'm basically isolating my body. Whatever I want to do up here, I can hold this pose, and the bottom is kind of just moving on its own. That's the idea you want to get to soon. Okay? So next thing we want to get to is pivoting on the heel, okay? So the pivot point is the heel. This one, in my opinion, is a little bit harder, just because I'm not used to. Because a lot of times, if you're an athlete, if you play sports, you're taught to be on the ball of your feet, so you can run, you can move faster. And when you're on a heel, it's a lot slower. But in dance, you got to be able to pivot on the heel of your feet as well. So let's try that with the music. Same idea. The heel of my feet are roughly shoulder width apart, and my toes are the ones that's moving side to side. Okay? Here we go. Again, here we go. 1, 2. Now, if you want to hold different hand position, you can, all right? That's optional. Waist above is optional, but the idea is here. Here. Good. Pivoting heel, pivoting ball, okay? Now we gotta be able to transition. Again, every time you transition from one stabilized position to another, it's a little bit more difficult because of the balance issue, but we got to work on it. So we're gonna start here, pivot, okay? So I'm pivoting from the ball of my feet. Immediately I gotta get my balance onto the heel, and then I can pivot again this way. Pivot. Okay, that's 1, 2. We're gonna go to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then coming back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try that. Get ready. 5, 6, 7. Again. Again. Okay? I'm gonna, if you tried it with me like this with your socks on, you can see, you can feel that your socks is kind of loose. So I'm gonna try it with my socks off. Hopefully you guys can see it with the floor here. Here we go. With the music. Let's try it again. 5, 6. 4, 6. Okay, good. That's our simple pivot exercise. I started going to the right and then coming back again. Different arm position for optional. All right? Okay. Moving forward just a little bit now. Now, this is where we go do heel, toe, pivot. Okay, we're going to do heel, toe, pivot. Heel, toe, pivot. Watch this. So, on my right, I'm pivoting on the heel. On the top, on the left, I'm pivoting on the toe. So it goes like this. So I'm not doing both heel or both ball or toe. I'm going heel this way, toe this way. Get familiar with that, all right? So I'm turning to the right. 7, 8, 1. Okay, one more time. 6, 7, 8. Turn, then come back. Using the heel toe again. 6, 7, 8. Boom, boom. Okay, other side. Now I'm gonna go left. My left is on the heel, my right is on the toe. This way. 6, 7, 8. Boom. Then come back. 5, 6, 7. Boom. Then come back. Let's try with the music. So we're gonna go like this. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try that first. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. One more time. Okay. Now we're gonna go just a little bit faster. Focus on the feet. 5, 6. 1, 2, 4, 6. One more time. All right. That's our heel toe. Okay, good. Now let's put it all together. You're gonna go pivot, pivot, pivot. So you're gonna go 1, 2, 3. We're gonna hold the 4. Then you're gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you're gonna come back. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's our drill. 5, 6, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 6, 8, 2, 3. So notice we're clapping on that 4, clapping on the 4. 5, 6, 2, 3. Boom. 5, 2, 3. Again. Alright guys, hopefully you guys have fun with this. Okay guys, hopefully you guys had fun with this little exercise. Pivoting. Pivoting. You call it twisting, but to me the basics of it is called pivoting. On the heel, on the toe, combination heel toe. Have fun with it guys, and see you on the next one.